Today, I'm going to be making garlic butter popcorn. The first thing that I'm going to need is popcorn kernels and 100% all-American pure canola oil. I'm going to need at least 1 clove of garlic and all-American butter. Also a butter knife, a grater for the greater good, and a bowl. Let's get started. I'm going to take the popcorn kernels and 100% all-American canola oil. I'm going to put the canola oil in a pot, not too much, not too little, and then spread the joy just a little bit. Next, I'm going to place some popcorn kernels inside of the pot. Then I'm going to turn the pot on to a medium or low medium. Then I'm going to place the top onto the pot and keep it cracked just slightly. Next, I'm going to make the butter garlic sauce. I'm going to take some butter and place it into the bowl. Once I've placed it into the bowl, I'm going to cut it into pieces so it melts evenly. Then I'm going to take my grater for the greater good and take some garlic and grate it inside of the bowl that already has the butter inside of it. Next, I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 5 to 10 to 15 seconds, depending on the wattage of the microwave. While that's going on, I'm going to check on the popcorn. It should begin to pop, and then the popping should increase. And when the popping slows, it should be removed from heat and cooled a bit. When I take the lid off, I'm going to be careful because there could be some kernels that are just waiting for me to get in front of it to pop. Then I'm going to take a spoon with holes in it and put it into a bowl, and then take the garlic butter sauce and pour it on top of the popcorn. And then stir it with my butter knife. And that's how you make garlic butter popcorn. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.